Diode has a significant role in the modern day electronics. There are so many different types of diode. Each one has its own unique ability. This particular video is about a PN junction diode. A diode is like a one-way valve which allow the flow of current in one direction and block the flow of current in opposite direction. The construction and working of diode is based upon the semiconductor and their properties. Before understanding a diode, we must have to first understand what is semiconductor. On the basis of conductivity, material are broadly classified as a conductor, insulator and semiconductor. Conductor like a copper has a very high electricity conductivity and very low electricity resistivity. On the other hand, insulator like a plastic has very low electricity conductivity and a very electric resistivity. The electric conductivity of semiconductor lies in between the conductors and insulator. Some of the most common used semiconductor are silicon and germanium. Let's understanding the conducting behavior of semiconductor with the example of silicon. Silicon is the second most abundant element in the earth. In silicon, each silicon atom has 4 valence electrons. Silicon form a covalent bond by equal sharing of its valenced electron with never 4 silicon atom. Due to this, pure silicon does not have free electron. As a result, pure silicon is a very pure conductor of electricity at normal temperature. Although the conductivity of semiconductor or silicon can be improved by using of technique known as doping. Doping is the process of adding suitable impurities in the pure. Semiconductor impurities are classified as trivalent and dependable, and impurities of trivalent impurities like boron has only 3 electrons in its valence shell. On the other hand, appendable and impurities like phosphorus has 5 electrons in its valence shell. Because of this, when a tribal and impurities is added in the pure silicon, a vacant position of the electron known as hole is left. This type of semiconductor is known as p-type semiconductor, and when a pure semiconductor doped with appendable and impurities, a free electron is left. This type of semiconductor known as n-type semiconductor. Due to the presence of the free electron and holes doped, semiconductor have good electricity conductivity. Now let us see how P and N type semiconductor is used to construct a diode to form a PN junction.